What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Idle here with Milky Tech, and is your poor headphones missing a home? Are they just laying around on your desk, just pushed to the side, or not enough room on your desk, so you have to throw them on the floor? It is a sad situation that our headsets live through. They need a home, and in comes in the IFYOO RGB headset stand. And this is not a bad stand. As the name implies, it has RGB. It also has 2 USB ports, so it is also a built-in hub, which is not bad. So I guess let's go over the packaging, which is not much. Just the name and a schematic of the product in the front. Not much on the sides. We have a little RGB strip of colors over here. And on the back, just some way to communicate with them. Let's open this guy up. Let's cut the tape out. Very aggressively. Alright, open up. So we have the base unit right here. Put it to the side. The arm and our user guide. The unit is made out of plastic. It's completely plastic. There's some nice rubber feet at the bottom, which is pretty good. It doesn't move around much, and I'm moving around pretty hard. 2 USB ports, and they look like USB 2.0s. Yep, they're USB 2.0. I guess that's our power switch to turn on and off. We got top lights, and we got bottom illumination. And here's where the arm sits. And the arm itself is made out of plastic. Very lightweight, but it's very rigid, so that's good. And it should just snap on like... That's it. It's on. And in the back, you have a little extra support so it doesn't tip back. Alright, and this is the product itself. It's very lightweight, but the plastic is pretty rigid. Let's plug it in and see it light up. Of course, the whole main reason why I buy this is because it lights up. Guess we have to flip the switch. And it is lit! And now, our poor, homeless headset has now a home. Overall, I like the design of this product. It is very sleek. Like the RGB, it's not too much. It's just a hint of it on the bottom and just a little on the top. It's really nice. I wish the construction was just a little bit better. Yes, the plastic is pretty rigid, but it's also thin and light. So I wish it was just a little bit thicker. Just to give it a little extra rigidity so it will last longer. Overall, the function of this product is great. It is a USB hub that holds your headset and has wonderful style. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's good, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.